Hello and welcome to day 2 of Mind Alter Meditation Challenge. I hope you are healthy, happy, and feeling the energy of day 1. Remember, each day of this challenge is guiding your brain cells towards a brighter and more successful future. And when you practice daily, you will notice that your stress level reduces, your productivity increases, and you feel more aligned with your goals. Same. Today's meditation is once again about tapping into the power of your subconscious mind. We will reprogram it so that your goals feel more natural, achievable, and already a part of your reality. So let's begin. Sit comfortably or lie down in a relaxed position. Now gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your breathing to settle into a calm, natural rhythm. Now imagine yourself in a pure white room. This room feels peaceful, safe, and empty. And in front of you, there's a large whiteboard. This whiteboard represents your subconscious mind. Slowly visualize a bright light emerging from the center of that board. This light represents your intentions, your dreams, and your goals. Think about all your goals now. Focus on your goals. Visualize them in front of you. The more you focus on your goals, the brighter this light becomes. See the details clearly. A healthy body, a new home, success in your work, joyful relationship, or anything you desire. Feel like all your goals are already achieved. Now see these images flowing out of the light from the center of the board and filling the board completely. Your whiteboard is filled with your goals. Visualize that whiteboard. And now your subconscious is absorbing them. Your brain cells, your neurons, your entire body is vibrating at the frequency of these goals. Your subconscious mind is ready to accept and manifest them now. Feel this powerful energy inside your body. Feel the motivation, feel the confidence and the belief flowing through you. Now repeat after me in your mind with full energy. I am worthy of success. I am the architect of my destiny. The universe supports my journey. I deserve success. Universe is always with me. I am worthy of achieving all my goals. Now visualize a path opening up in front of you, and this path is leading you towards success, abundance, and fulfillment. Take your first happy step into the path. This path takes you to your goals. You can see as you walk in this path, your goals are being fulfilled. Visualize all your goals completing Visualize yourself achieving all the success you desire. This is now the path of your life. Your life is now moving towards your goals. The goals that you always wished for are no more goals now. They all are reality. You are successful, walking towards the path. Now say thank you to the universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you for all the goals, achievements, and fulfilling all my desires. Thank you for making me feel abundant in this path of my life. Now smile and feel this energy. Feel this confidence. Take a moment and enjoy your goals. Enjoy your success. Feel those emotions. Your body is feeling all the success emotions inside you. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this energy into your day. Thank you.